I'm here today that I'm going to be doing a quick review and show you the demonstration on TV, what this thing will do before and what it'll do after. Not to mention this thing, when I got this and the other model, the step down below, the entry-level piece, the paper thin one as they call it, and I got this one here was active, multi-band with an active antenna, coaxial input, amplifier. This thing picks up all the popular UHF, VHF, high, low stations, you name it. This thing has all of them. The adapter, plenty of cord, good quality stuff. You can see this here is going to be the 5-volt USB AC charger, which is required for power. Even some hardware to mount it up. Manual. This piece here, 2 antennas. Very thin, easy, and very attractive actually. If you look at it, it's got a nice, classy finish on it. I like that. And this thing represents really well. If you look online, just look at the reviews, people are brutal. Amazon reviews, people are savage out there. This thing has got 30 reviews currently, 29 5 stars. One guy didn't like it. So there's probably something wrong with that guy and not the product. So now we're going to get to installing this here Antop AT221BV. This is the black. It's a beautiful, I like that finish, that nice brushed aluminum style finish. I know it's not brushed aluminum, but it looks freaking great. Nice and thin. It's a little bit on the big size, but hey, if it does the job, I'm okay with that. You ain't gonna see this thing really in my installation much anyway. So you got that, and you can tell, I've done enough video reviews to know when you're looking at a cheap piece of Chinese chickadee crap, and this ain't it. This is nice. You can tell somebody put some love and some thought into this engineering, this product. The cable is nice, it's heavy. QR code. Apparently this company's been around since 1980. Okay, take your word for that. There's a transformer, nice long cable for the 5-volt power. There's a module for the connection to the coax RG cable. Nice and long too. I just did the review for the step down model, the $30 version, and the cable was nowhere near anything like that. This thing is way better, much more beefy, much longer, much everything. So this one's got a lot more features and a lot more power. So I am excited because I've seen the reviews, and 30 reviews, 29, actually 5 stars, were in love with this thing. They couldn't believe, they felt like they were stealing TV. It was that damn good. So if it's half as good as that, dude, I'm sold on this thing. Because I need something, and I don't want to pay no bills. Who the hell wants to pay a bill for some stupid cable? So this here is Dabble. This is a local Jacksonville station. I didn't get this one before, so that's cool. Channel 4, Channel 7, these are local Jacksonville. 7-2, I don't know what the hell this is. Jack's PBS, that's what that one was. Kids, I didn't get that before, that's cool. Susie Orman, ugh, ugly. This I had on the old one, Dateline I had on the old one. Court TV I had before. Liquidation. Not too excited about getting the Liquidation channel. But we got news, that's good. Local stations, movie stations. That's nice to get local weather for free. It's almost like stealing cable. That's a good feeling right there. Right here, just this one channel, that's a huge bump for me. Huge upgrade just to get local news. You don't even understand how cool that is. For free, with no bill, there's another one. First Coast has 2 local news stations. Hardcore Porn, that's a good show. We never had this. Quest, I don't even know what the hell that channel even is. But we got it. There's another one. So listen, this thing is a huge upgrade from my old antenna. I didn't even know what the hell I was missing. The picture quality is not as great as I was expecting. However, I'm going to be doing a review on another antenna, which is much more sophisticated than this one. It's actually a $70 antenna. This one's like half that price. So again, for the bunny, 30 bucks, I mean, come on. You can't expect everything. But the $70 antenna will be staying in here, because I knew I'm going to fall in love with it as soon as I get it. So yeah, pretty much, that's pretty much what this thing is. It works a lot better than the other one. It's definitely a good value. The picture ain't true HD or anything like that, but I'm not in optimum circumstances and close to where the stations are coming from. So in all fairness, it's a pretty good tuner. I'm happy with it. The only one thing I have to say is when you're preparing your installation, you're going to run your wires out. Usually I would expect the cable for the coax to be longer and for the extension wire in between the unit and this adapter to be shorter here and longer here, because the antenna, I can run it out and be more discreet with my installation. However, this one is kind of like the reverse of that. So I'm not really a fan of that, but just keep that in mind when you run your wires. You're going to want to keep in mind on this little module here, it's got a switch. If you switch it, it goes from green to amber. That's the Smart Pass technology. So if you're using this in conjunction with an analog or a digital TV tuner, you're going to want to have it on amber for bypass and green if not. Whatever applies to your situation. It's in the manual. Just read the manual and have the switch appropriately for where it belongs for your best performance. Your old TV antenna had one of these USB adapters. Don't leave that in place. Keep this one that came with the kit that's appropriate to this unit with the unit. The unit is now plugged in, installed, and mounted. Right now it's just tentatively over here by this window because these here you can adjust. So I'll be fidgeting with those things to get the best performance, and I'll mount that thing so it's not, you know, unsightly. The $30 antenna that Antop carries, and I did a review on, that one got 33 channels when it was done programming. Starting, I had 23. This one here has 44, so that's even a bigger bump. But what I'm more interested in is the quality of the picture. These are all local. I want to find an HD. Here we go. And that is HD. This is a local Jacksonville station, so this is a local game. That looks damn nice. Sharp picture. I almost feel like I'm getting free cable here. The heck was I thinking with that other thing? If you don't need a DVR and all that fancy schmancy stuff, this is the ticket. This is HD too. Look at that picture. I know it's not like being here, but it looks nice. Beautiful. And all these choices, this is great. This is staying here forever. I love this product. Oh, there's an HD right here. It's a little cloudy. I think if I could hit the settings and adjust the contrast and the brightness a little bit, I think this thing will come out even nicer. But with that lousy antenna, I never even thought to do so because I just expected a lousy picture. Now that I got a real antenna, I can actually do something. So far, I gotta say, my review is just as good as everybody else's. It's a 5-star review. This product is amazing. You need to get one of these. Hope you liked the video. If you like it, give it a like. If you didn't like it, give it a like. See ya.